First, cut our mesh. Cut it down. Leave about 3 centimeters of space. Then turn our carpet over. Cover it with our hot melt lining, the side with white spots, towards the inside of the carpet. Then use an electric iron. Then heat the hot melt backing to adhere to the back of the carpet. The temperature should be between 110 and 130 degrees Celsius. Iron for a longer time. Iron each side evenly. Let the hot melt glue melt onto the back of the carpet. Add ironing steps can extend the life of the carpet. Here is a word. When ironing the hot melt lining, remember to turn the wool inside out. If you iron like this, it may burn the wool. After ironing, cut off the excess fabric. You can cut to the root of the bottom layer. Show you the effect after it is firmly glued. It has a very strong grip. You can wash it with water. Turn the carpet back to the front. Carry our dummy. Cover the floor mat and make sure the side with the rubber pad is inside. Finally, you need to turn it out. Now we need to sew along the edge. Take out the needle and thread. You can directly use the remaining thread in the material. Use one of the strands. Then I choose to use this thicker needle. A thicker needle may sew faster, but a thinner needle will do. If you don't have this thick needle, the stitches also need to be turned over. First, fix the needle and thread in one place. The starting position can be random. You just need to fix the stitches. Just wrap it all up. Next, we start sewing. Try to sew along the edges as much as possible after you have determined the position. Try not to pull it. Avoid missing the position. During the sewing process, you can observe whether the position is offset. Push the wool inside at each position. Then continue sewing. Follow this idea and sew along the edge of the mesh. After sewing, leave an opening and do not sew it completely. Turn our carpet inside out. Sew the remaining parts from the front. Check after sewing. Confirm whether everything has been turned out. Then tidy up the carpet. The whole carpet is now complete.